Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, let's power off the device. And once it's off, you then want to hold the power key and volume up. So once more, power, volume up. And you can see that we're now in recovery mode, and the last option is safe mode. So simply tap on that and the device will automatically boot into safe mode. And you can see right now you have safe mode at the bottom and the device is now in the desired mode. And if you want to leave this mode, simply hold the power key once more, and this time just tap on reboot or restart. Let's just see which. Restart. And when the device powers back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And you can see it's back in normal mode. So that is how you would boot your device into safe mode and out of it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.